Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to import XML files into Power BI. If you've ever struggled with getting data from XML into your reports, or you're just starting out in Power BI and wondering how to handle these files, this video is for you. By the end, you'll know the step-by-step process to easily bring XML data into Power BI Desktop, ready for analysis or visualization. Let's dive right in. First up, make sure you have Power BI Desktop open. If you haven't already installed it, you can grab it for free from Microsoft's website. Once you've launched Power BI Desktop, you'll start on the Home tab, which is where most of the data import magic begins. Now, from the Home ribbon, look for the section called Get Data. Click on Get Data, and then you'll see a few quick options pop up, but go ahead and click on More to see all the available data sources. The More button might seem like an extra click, but this is where you'll access connectors for just about any data format, including XML. Once the Get Data window opens, you'll see a search bar at the top left. Type in XML. This will instantly filter the options so you don't have to scroll, saving you a bit of time. Find XML on the list, select it, and then go ahead and click the Connect button at the bottom right. So far, so good. Next, a file browser window will pop up asking you to select your XML file. Let's say for this example you have a file called data.xml sitting on your desktop. Just navigate to the correct folder, click once on your XML file to highlight it, and hit Open. If your file is buried in your Downloads or a project folder, don't worry, just make sure you select the right XML file, as Power BI will read directly from the file you choose. After you click Open, Power BI will take a moment to read the XML structure. Don't worry if this part takes a few seconds, especially if your file is large. Power BI is essentially mapping out your data and figuring out how things are related. When it's done, you'll see something called the Navigator pane appear. This is where Power BI really shines with XML files, because it helps you navigate the sometimes complex hierarchy that XML files can have. In the Navigator, you'll see a tree view. Think of this like folders inside folders. XML is all about nested elements, so you might see nodes labeled with names like book, author, price, or whatever the structure of your data happens to be. Take a breath here and expand the areas of the tree to get a feel for what information is actually in your file. You can expand nodes just by clicking the little arrow or plus icon next to them. If you're not sure what you need yet, don't be afraid to explore a bit. You're not changing anything in the original file. When you find the table or element that represents the data you want, check the box next to it. For example, if you're loading customer data, select the node or table that actually contains the customer records. At this point, you have two choices. You can click Load if you're ready to bring the data straight into Power BI, or choose Transform Data if you want to do things like filter or shape the data before loading it. If this is your first time, just try Load to see how easy it is. And just like that, Power BI will import your XML data as a new table, and you're ready to start building visuals or analyzing your information. See? Not so scary after all. That's it for this walkthrough. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit that like button. It helps more people discover these tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about XML imports or Power BI, and I'll do my best to help out. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.